here it is in all its glory. This is it. Okay. Oh my. This is one heavy box. Oh, here we go. Oh my. This is huge. Okay, so we got our hands on the PS5 and we're gonna be unboxing the controller with haptic feedback and the triggers. Yeah, I'm so hyped for this. Look at that. Just get into this. This isn't one of the controllers that come with the PlayStation itself. It's pre-bought. Alright, let's open up this thing. Alright. Oh. And it comes out like this down here. Ooh. Alright, this is the empty box. And it comes like this, I think. Let's see, up here like this. Okay. Ooh! Damn. Alright, here it is. Let's just put this aside real quick. Get this little thing with it. I think there's nothing else with it. Yeah, that's it. Here's the controller in all its glory. Looks damn fine. Oh my. Actually, looks like a... Ooh! Look at that. It's just turning on. PlayStation button's different and everything. Touchpad's quite nice. Has a matte feeling to it. Still damn beautiful. It uses a C-type charger now instead of normal ones. Damn! Oh, it also comes in with a built-in microphone. I forgot to show that. Alright, so this is the differences between these two controllers. The PS5 back over here looks like this. PS4 looks like that. You can see it looks a bit slimmer. The PS5 is a bit thick. Triggers looks a bit flat down there. You see how wide that is? And got the C-type charger. And then the PS4 has quite a little bit of a triangular shape. You see that? Kind of resembles the Xbox controller, if you see. And then the PS4 controllers, you know, it's always been looking like that. PS5, on the other hand, they made it all clear, all white. Looks very nice, I might say. This is a clean design. Well made. As my crusty old PS4 one. Ooh. Oh yeah, PS5 doesn't have the light on front. Is like the PS4, it's on the back, so if like turn it on, it does this. See that? Alright, that's it. Alright, so that was the comparison for the PS4 and PS5 controller. My opinion, PS5, it feels so much better to hold in your hands. It's so much better, grips so much nicer. So yeah, this is the two different controllers. I accidentally turned this one on. But yeah. Alrighty, that's it. Like and subscribe, more content like this. We do variety content and vlogging. Yes. PS5 controller unboxing. Quite nice. Quite very nice. Now I'm going to unbox the big boy PS5. It's just the controller. Alright, let's get to it. So guys, we got our hands on the PS5 and I'm going to be doing a full unboxing of it and I'm going to show off everything from the PS5. So let me show you the front cover. Here's the front of the PS5. It's the full box in all its glory. Okay, here's the back of it. Okay, I'm going to be unboxing it now. You please censor knife. This isn't a knife. It's a cutting tool. Oh yes, here we go. I have no idea how to open this. Okay, there we go. Maybe I should show it from this.
You should lay it down.
Yeah, you should lay it down. Oh my. Alright, here's the box itself. From on the outside of it. Has a PlayStation logo in the middle. Alright, let's take this baby out. Uh-oh. Oh, here's the PS5 itself. Okay, let's get it out. Oh my, this is quite heavy. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay. Alright, out the box. PS5 aside first. Okay, so this is the first thing that came inside of it. Let's open it up. Alrighty, so we got the power cord of the PS5. It's the same one as the PS4. And then we got the controller that actually came with it. Oh wow. Yeah, it's a secondary controller. We unboxed the first one. It's another PS5 controller over there. Over here we got a safety guide. Take these out. Yeah, this is a manual on how to set up the PS5. And then this is the stand. So if you want to put the PS5 down on its side, you get this stand with it. Just open it out from the packet. Yeah, here it is. It's a stand you get from it. Alright. Then, with that, you get a HDMI cord. It's pretty nice over there. Alrighty, now we're actually gonna get to the PS5 itself. Oh, here it is in all its glory. This is it. Okay. Oh my. This is one heavy box. I think you put it up right like this. Oh, here we go. Oh my. This is huge. Oh, put that down carefully. Here's the PS5 in all its glory. There it is. This is the disc version, so it is not the digital, it's the normal. Here's the disc drive that came with it. Oh my, I almost let that drop. There it is. Fans at the back, ventilation at the back. This is big, guys. Like, look how huge this is on my torso. This is huge. Okay, here we have the ports. I am so scared to... Here's the ports on the PS5, on the back, and the disc drive itself, front here. There it is. Alright, let's put the stand on this thing. Man, you'll be like, Baba Booey. Now we seen this ourselves. We're doing this ourselves. If it brokey, I need to read the manual.
A few inches later.
Take it, put it over here. There we go. Boom. PS5 stand. There we go. There it is, in all its glory. Oh my, this thing is huge. Slim design and everything. Looks beautiful. This is the with the stand on. Or you could put it up like this. Alright, but you can also put the stand at the bottom if you wanted to. But I'll just put it on the side. There we go. Alrighty, pretty much it for the PS5, and comes with a really fast SSD card. This thing can load games pretty fast. Well, I heard it can. And it also comes with ray tracing. You can ray trace a ton of games on it. I am in shock. I didn't actually think we'd get the PS5, but here it is. It looks wow. Can't wait to hop on this actually. We're cutting to the UI now. Alright, let's go.
English, United Kingdom. Press cross to select. Continue with this. No. Continue. Continue. No. Turn off.
Oh my goodness. No, I missed the
Oh, that this spring.
Come here. Oh, it's gonna take 17 hours. Okay, so I got the PS5 set up and everything. I'm busy charging the controllers. This is how it looks. Looks pretty nice, yeah. I'm charging these two. It's busy updating right now, and once it's done, I'm gonna enjoy playing on this PS5. Like, subscribe, comment down below what we should do next. Yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.